Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm making something I saw my buddy Mark Kratz make this last week. It's the Taco Bell Bell Beefer, which I've never had or even heard of before until I saw his video. So I gotta make dinner anyway, so I figured, why not make this? I like ground taco meat. I don't mind Taco Bell. I kind of miss the old menus, but I know things change, so let's get to it. Alright, I just got some brioche buns. I literally just pulled these out of the oven, so I wanted to toast my buns. Seasoning, I just got some Old El Paso taco seasoning, original, because it was on sale. I grabbed the, wow, I need scissors. I grabbed one, but it was like $1.49, but this one was only 99 cents, so I'm like, okay, I'll go with the, give me that sale price. Now we add a little sachet of water. Now let that incorporate. Look at that. I fried my own meat. Mark had the Hereford taco seasoning, but I can't find any around me, so I just fried up my own ground beef. So I'm going to be doing the Bell Beefer Supreme by adding sour cream and tomatoes. So I'm going to call that hamburger done. I'm going to need, let's use a spoon. Hope you guys can see that. Yep. I always forget to check the view screen. You know, I was thinking while I was cooking this, I probably would have just seasoned the ground meat in a bowl and then mixed it all together and then formed patties and then fried it. But it might be good this way. Alright. Oh, forgot to have cheese. I just got some grated Tillamook cheddar cheese here. Taco Bell doesn't use Tillamook, I'm pretty sure. But this is what I've got on hand, so. Put a few things away real quick. I got some lettuce here. This is just iceberg. Man, the lettuce they had at the store did not look very good at all. It looked like a pack of dogs attacked it. So, I didn't want to buy any of it. Slide it off to the side. Got some tomato here. Hoping my arm's not in the way. Nice thin sliced tomatoes. Just like that. And then I got the tops of my buns. I made two because alrighty. Here we got the Bell Beefer Supreme. The question is, can I eat this without it turning into a colossal mess? Tomatoes. Not bad at all. Seasoned ground meat. I couldn't find any Taco Bell sauce, unfortunately. Not bad at all. That kind of works. Sour cream, the seasoned ground beef with fresh lettuce, tomato. I'm digging it. I'm gonna go sit down and eat. All right, what did I think of the Bell Beefer? Pretty good. Not bad at all. Would make again. Anyway, don't forget to check out Mark Kratz's video. I'll put it in the end somewhere around here, probably around this time. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.